I used to think I had a black thumb. As someone who managed a grocery chain, I was surrounded by fresh produce every day, yet I couldn't keep a single houseplant alive. I remember the frustration of watching my plants wilt, while the prices for organic produce skyrocketed. It felt like a losing battle. Then I discovered the world of urban gardening. I started small, just a few pots on my apartment balcony. I learned about soil, sunlight, and the right plants for my space. It wasn't easy at first, but I was determined. I transformed my little balcony into a thriving garden filled with herbs and vegetables that I could actually eat. Now, I'm proud to say I'm no longer a plant killer. I've grown everything from basil to tomatoes, and the taste of homegrown produce is unbeatable. I even started sharing my journey online, and the response has been incredible. Jennifer, one of my followers, told me how she turned her tiny kitchen into a mini garden and now enjoys fresh salads every day, and she's not alone. Over 12,000 people have joined this movement, transforming their spaces and their lives. The best part? You don't need a backyard or a lot of time. With the right system, anyone can do it. Right now, there's a flash sale on the complete gardening system that helped me. This is your chance to start your own gardening journey. Don't let the high cost of organic produce keep you from enjoying fresh food. Take action today and see how easy it can be to grow your own garden, even in the smallest of spaces. You won't regret it.